They even got the stitchy, bro. Let's go.
These have to be.
Let me get a couple in. What a find. Oh my god. This is off of CRZ. Now we just got to take them off, and we're before we take them and get too excited, we need to inspect them, make sure there's no crazy shit going on. But let's go. Alright guys, we got a whole balancing act going here with the seats, but man, they checked out. They look fucking good. I can't even believe we found these, man. They're gonna look so sick. So now with the good lighting, we can appreciate the difference in the seats. I mean, even dirty, it looks good. We did already start looking at the rails, and it is different. So let me show you. This is the passenger side one, which is the one we took off. And back here, we got a flat, and then this one lays flat too. But then on this one, we got flat here, and then a fucking, and then an angled piece right here. So I mean, obviously it's not gonna fit, but me being me, I'm just gonna throw it in there just to see how it looks, because I mean, why not? Try not to scratch these panels. I mean, it's good that we're doing this just to even see how they're gonna look. Oh my god, are you kidding me, boy? Oh my god, we ain't even got sunlight out here, and it's already bright, baby. The future is bright. Yeah, we gotta clean them, but damn, bro, the difference is just crazy. So I'm on here, I'm on this hole out here, but then this one is, yeah, see, look at how far that is over here. We got the hole over here, and this is the new rail, and I'm on over here, so there's no way. So yeah, we're just gonna have to figure out some way to fit the rails from the old seat to these ones. I mean, worst case, like my brother said, we got the welder. So the main thing I think is gonna see if we can switch just these, the slider piece out and leave, well, I don't know, maybe we can just take out this whole thing and somehow bolt the whole thing to it. That might be easier. I mean, yeah, there's only one way to tell. Honestly, we're just gonna have to start taking shit apart.
The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out.
We've made some progress. We got this side of the rail off of the old seat, and now we're just gonna try to see how. So we're probably gonna have to cut this ear off right here. There's this little fucking bar for, oh yeah, it's for this shit, but we're gonna have to get rid of that. We're gonna try to use these same holes to drill, hopefully through the frame, maybe on this side, because it's gonna sit, it slants down a little bit, so we might have to put a little spacer in there, but it looks like we're gonna be able to get it. I'm not sure, obviously, but we're looking good right now. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Look at this shit. Look how close it is already just by cutting that ear off. Look at, damn. All we would have to do is make a hole here and bang them.
No hands, bang them.
Now that this ear's cut off, we can go kind of bolt it in by hand again, set it in there and see exactly where we need it, mark it. We figured out the next step. So this back one here, it doesn't really fit. It needs a little bit more. But this shit's in the way, because if we put it on there like that, this one still sits high, like if we needed a spacer, but it's really this. So if we could just grind this one and that one down, we might just be able to, god damn, let's just go. The ears are ringing pretty good. Okay, now we could try this shit. Nah, this is, we need a... How beautiful when things work. That bitch is almost in. I got two. One up here, the one back there. Now I'm gonna see what I can do about that one. All right, we've been sitting here and I'm going crazy trying to see why the front rails ain't lining up now, but this ear on this rail is butting up against the side of that. So I'm just gonna cut that shit off. We don't need it anyway. It should give us more wiggle room. We got it, and we got it to fit, motherfuckers. Let's go. That was the trick right there. Go. My God. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but we have the original rail over here and the other one from the old seat on this side. They slide individually now, so it just kind of cockeyed. We'll have to get in there and, I mean, fix that. That should be easy, but man, we fucking got it.
Not even close.
All right, time to do this side. We're gonna start all over with this one, mocking up first, making sure what we need to do instead of like assuming we could just copy, you know what I'm saying? Damn, this one's way more off than the other one. That sucks. I got confused, so we need to line it up with the fucking seat this way to keep the OE rail this side and then change the buckle side. That's why it wasn't, yeah. She's off, baby. Let's go. We're gonna have to cut part of this like mounting bracket because it's in the way. It's sitting in there like cockeyed and we can't really get a fit to see how the other rail is gonna fit on here. So damn, it's pretty close. Okay, we got it so close. That plate idea, I'll take this off to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, but it's gonna definitely work. We had to end up cutting the ear off of this one because it was getting in our way, obviously, but it looks like we're gonna be able to maybe use this hole if we just rivet that out, or rivet that out, Jesus, if we just drill it out. So it sits in there like this. We might have to cut a little bit more of this because it ends up under the coil kind of pushing out on it and I don't want it to mess that up. But so we're gonna end up somewhere around there, and this hole is gonna line up pretty much with this one. We're not gonna be able to like bolt directly to it. My plan is to, I don't know, go to Ace or Lowe's or something and get a thick steel plate. That way we can just drill a hole, 2 holes in it, one for here and then the plate to mount to the seat. Ace came up clutch. I got this steel plate. It's 3/16 thick, so I mean it should be plenty. We'll just need a little piece. We're just gonna keep grinding, making a fucking bracket, and it's gonna work out perfectly, baby. Alright guys, we managed to get this rivet out. Now you can see what I'm talking about right there. I was trying to preserve the bracket because I want to use it, and then we drilled that out too, so now it should just, look at that. Perfect.
You just gotta be perfect.
My bad guys. So the plan is we're still gonna use this, but we're gonna build a plate off of it. So we need to be like 1.25 inches apart. That way we could line up with that one. And then once we have that one, then we'll be able to do the front one. But yeah, 1.25 inches from center to center. Okay, so here's, so you can see more of my vision here. We had to grind that down, that little nub, but so we're gonna do that. Put a fucking nut behind it. We're gonna have to shave down part of the rail right here because it's in the way. But shit, once we do that, that'll be done, and then we can move on to the next. How's she looking? Looking perfect.
You gotta be perfect.
All right, look at that. That beautiful piece of work. We got this shit mounted on there with the bracket. We're gonna go to this hole, so it's gonna be a little diagonal, but we need to go see how far, like how big of a fucking gap we need. All right guys, I'm so fucking happy with how the progress is coming. Look at what we fabbed up. I mean, it's a little bracket, but it looks like it belongs there. Now we just need to fucking make one that's gonna go from here to, I don't want to go here because it's too much at an angle, because with the other one it's gonna be like that, so I'm trying to have it be like that. But I mean, it's lining up, it looks good, it's level. yeah, that's literally the last thing we need for this one, and she'll be done. Alright, another one. Alright guys, well there it is. 2 brackets to fab up that side, man. It was a lot of work. That drilling got my shit tired. Like my brother said, I'm gonna look like that guy from Family Guy when he comes out with that one big ass arm. Yeah, so now we got it somewhat tight. That way we can go mock it up again and see how she's gonna fit. Let's go, baby. She's in. Now we just gotta slide it back and see how it ends up. And we still got the sliders, man. Yeah, check that shit out. She's in. What a job. We've been on this shit since 9 in the morning today. It's, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. 4:44. Damn. We finally got it though. We just need to, now that they're good, we just need to tighten up all the brackets, make sure everything's finalized, and then yeah. Alright guys, the seats are officially in. I couldn't be happier with how they turned out. We went from taking 2013 Honda CRZ seats and being able to mount them into a 96 Accord, man. They look phenomenal. I'm super happy with how they came out. And now make sure you tune into the next video to see us put the brand new carpet in and officially finish transforming this interior.